The area of the field was found to be 90 square meter when measured with a chain of 30 meter length. Later, it was found that the chain was 150 mm too short. Find the true area of the field. True length of chain is 30 meters. Later, it was found that the chain is 150 mm too long. So, measured or incorrect wrong length of the chain is 30 minus 0.15 meters. True length of chain TC is equal to 30 meters. Measured or wrong length of chain MC is equal to 30 minus the error is 150 mm too short. So we have to deduct this value from 30 meters, 0.15 meters. Therefore, measured chain length is equal to 29.85 meters. Now, the measured area of the field is given as 90 square meter. We have to find out true area of field. True area of the field multiplied by true length of chain whole square is equal to measured area of the field multiplied by measured length of chain whole square. So in the length calculation we have taken only true length of chain, but for the area of the field calculation we have to take the square of these two terms. True area into true length of chain is 30 whole square. Measured area is 90. Measured length of chain is 29.85 whole square. Therefore, true area of the field is equal to 90 into 29.85 whole square divided by 30 square. True area of the field is equal to 89.102 square meters. A chain was tested before starting the survey and was found to be 30 meters. At the end of the survey, it was tested again and was found to be 30.20 meters. Area of the plan of the field drawn to a scale of 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meter and was found 62 square centimeter. Find the true area of the field in square meters. Before starting the survey, the length of the chain is 30 meters. At the end of the survey, it was 30.2 meters. This is 30 meters before starting the survey. At the end of the survey, it is elongated to 30.2 meters. The field area was measured and it was found 62 square centimeter, and the scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 meters. So we have to write 1 centimeter divided by 10 meter scale is equal to 62 square centimeter is the area in plan. Measured area in plan divided by measured area in the field. The scale ratio is 1 centimeter to 10 meters. We have to take the square of the scale ratio and equate it to measured area of the plan to measured area of the field. Measured area of the plan is 62 centimeters, from which we can find out the measured area of the field. 62 into 10 square, 6200 square meters. Measured area of the field is equal to 6200 square meters. Now we know true length of chain TC is equal to 30 meters. Measured length of chain, here we need to take the average of the chain length before and after the survey. At the beginning the chain length is 30 meters. At the end of the survey the chain length is 30.2 meters. So we have to take the average of these two. 30 plus 30.2 divided by 2. Measured length of chain or incorrect length of chain or wrong length of chain, we can call anyone. MC is equal to 30.10 meters. Now you write the formula. True area into true length of chain whole square is equal to measured area in the field into measured length of chain whole square. So these are the lengths of chains. We have to take the square. True area into true length of chain 30 whole square, measured area of the field 6200 square meter into measured length of chain is 30.10 whole square. Therefore, true area of the field TA is equal to 6200 30.10 whole square divided by 30 square. TA is equal to 6241.402 square meters. The area of the plan of an old survey plotted to a scale of 20 meter to 1 centimeter measures now as 252.1 square centimeters as found by planimeter. The plan is found to have shrunk so that a line originally 10 centimeter long now measures 9.2 centimeter only, and 20 meters chain used was 5 centimeter too short. Find the true area of the field. Using the planimeter, they have plotted the area of the plan, but now it is showing the 252.1 square centimeter, but because of shrinking of plan, a line originally 10 centimeter long now measures 9.2 centimeters. So based on this data, we can write measured area of the plan shown on the map divided by measured area of the plan shown on the map now, which is equal to So a line originally 10 centimeter long now measures 9.2 centimeters. On the map, it has shown 10 centimeter. Now it is showing 9.2 centimeter. So for the area calculation, we have to take this linear dimension square. Measured area of the plant shown on the map, say it is MA on the map, divided by, now it is showing 252.1 square centimeters. Measured area of the plant on the map divided by 252.1 square centimeter is equal to 10 divided by 9.2 whole square. Measured area is calculated 273.546 square meters, and he has given the scale 20 meter to 1 centimeter. So he has drawn this area using this 1 centimeter scale to 20 meter scale is equal to, so on the map this area is 273.546 on the field. So measured area of the field is to be calculated. For the area we have to take this square, 1 divided by 400 is equal to 273.546 divided by measured area in the field is equal to 1,09,418.4 square meters. Now calculate true area of the field. True area of the field into true length of chain whole square is equal to measured area of the field into measured length of chain whole square. True length of chain is 20 meters, but it is 5 centimeter too short, so we have to minus 5 centi from 20 meters. Therefore true area into true length of chain is 20 whole square. Measured area is 1,09,418.4 into measured length of chain is equal to 20, this is the true length of chain, minus 0.05. Why? Because it is 5 centimeter too short. Therefore true area of the field is equal to 1,08,871.99 square meter.